Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Ratipelli. In this video, I would like to do answers to exercise questions. While watching this video, you are to concentrate. Exercise 14.2. First problem. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Age in years, number of patients. Age group 5 to 15, 6 members, 15 to 25, 11, 25 to 35, 21, 35 to 45, 23, 45 to 55, 14, 55 to 65, 5. Find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. In this problem, we have to find the mode, the mean, and comparison. Compare. After finishing, we have to interpret. First, we have to find the mode. To find mode, we have to draw this rows like column wise. Age in years, number of patients, column wise. So like this. First problem solution, age in years. These are class intervals. Number of patients I mentioned. Basing question. To find mode, first we have to observe the frequencies. Basing these frequencies, we can find a model class. Basing model class, we can identify the values. So first we have to find a model class. Maximum number of patients 23, joined in the age group 35 and 45. So 23 is maximum in these frequencies. So that's why this is the 35 to 45 is called model class. Model class. Basing this model class, we can find mode using the formula. First, model class is 35 to 45. 35 to 45. Basing this model class, we can find mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to find mode. We have to know all these values. We can find these values basing this model class. L is here. L is lower boundary of the model class. So this is 35 is the lower limit. Average of this also 35. So L is equal to 35. L is lower boundary of the model class. Next to F1. What is F1? The frequency of the model class. This is the F1 is equal to 23. Next to F0. What is F0? F0 is frequency class of preceding the model class. So this is F0, the frequency of the class preceding the model class, before one. Next 21. Next to F1 completed, F0. Next to F2. What is F2? The frequency of a class succeeding the model class. Succeeding means next. So this is F2. F2 is equal to 14. Next H. What is H? H is size of the class size, or size of the class, or height of the class, or length of the class. Difference of lower limits or difference of the upper limits is called size of the class. 10. So 15 minus 5, 10, or 25 minus 15, 10. So height of the class or size of the class. Basing these values, we can find the mode substituting in this formula. Let us substitute these values in this formula one by one. L value 35 plus F1 23 minus F0 21 by 2F1. 2F1 is equal to 2 into 23. Okay, we can write here also 2F1 23. Here only we can write 2 into 23 minus F0 21 minus F2 14 into 10. That is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21, 2 into 10. We have to multiply this up only, numerator only, by 23 2s of 46 minus 21 minus 14, 4 1 5 1 2 3, 35 is equal to 35 plus 2 tens are 20, 46 minus 35, 11 that is equal to, we have to divide 20 by 11. Here we can do 11 ones are 11, 11 on 9. We have to keep this decimal point in quotient, then we have to bring down 0. 11 8s are 88, 2, bring down this 0. 11 1s are 11, 9, 11 8s are 88, so 2. So we understood 1.8 18 like this continue. So that's why we can write approximately 1.82, 1.82, that is equal to 35. We have to add for this 35 2 8 6 3, 36.82. This is mode. Now we have to find the mean. To find the mean, we have to draw the table like this, column wise. In this first, class intervals, age in years, number of patients, frequency, class marks, xi. ui is equal to xi minus a by h, fi into ui. To find mean is equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui by sigma fi. So this is the deviation method, short deviation method. So find short deviation method, we need assumed value, height of the class means size of the class, sigma fi ui by sigma fi. So that's why we have to prepare this table. Now let us find one by one. Xi means mid values, class marks. X is equal to average of the class, 5 plus 15 by 2, 20 by 2, 2 ones are 2 tens, 10. So x is equal to 10. Basing this mid value, we can find the next values by adding this length of the class. Length of the class h is equal to difference of lower limits or difference of higher limits. So 15 minus 5, 10. So size of the class also, height of the class also 10. So we have to add for this 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Next, ui, we have to find ui. Ui is equal to xi minus a by h. First, we have to take assumed value in this class marks. Generally, we take middle of the value. So here 0 will come up smaller, down larger numbers. That's why minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. fi ui, 6 2s are 12, 11 1s are 11, minus 21 0 0, 23, 14 28, 5 3 is 15, 15. So this minus 23, this plus 23, this will cancel. 28, here we have to find fi ui. 28, 5 plus 8, 3, 13, 43. A is equal to assumed value 30 here, and h is equal to 10, sigma fi ui is equal to 43, and sigma fi is equal to 9, 12, 13, 14, 20, 3, 5, 7, 8, 80. So sigma fi 80. Using these values, we can complete this. A is 30, h is 10 into 43 by 80. 0 0 gets cancelled. 30 plus 43 by 8. We have to divide this 43 by 8. 43 we can cancel or divide. Okay, divide. 8 5s are 40, 3, 8 3s are 24, 6, 8 7s are 54, 56, 8 7s are 56, 4, 8 5s are 40. So 43 by 8, 5.375. So we have to add for this 35.375. 35.375. So this is mean. We have completed mode and mean. After this, they asked the comparison and interpretation. So this is the interpretation and comparison. Mode is equal to 36.82 years. Mean is equal to 35.37 years. So mode is greater than the mean. This is the comparison. Therefore, maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.82 years. Whereas on an average, the age of patients admitted in the hospital is 35.37 years. So this is the interpretation. Question number 2. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. Lifetimes in hours 0 to 20. Frequency 10. 20 to 40 35. 40 to 60 52. 60 to 80 61. 80 to 100 38. 100 to 120 29. Determine the model lifetimes of the components. To find the model lifetimes of the components, we have to find mode. To find mode, we have to draw these rows like column wise like this, and also identify the model class. How to identify the model class? Observe by observing frequencies. The frequency which is larger, that class interval is the model class. In this 61 is the highest frequency. So that's why this is model class. So model class is 60 80 is the model class. Basing this model class, we can find mode using the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to find mode. In this L is lower boundary. We have to find all these terms: F1, F0, F2, H. L is lower boundary, average of these 60. F1 frequency of the model class F1 61. F0 preceding class of the model class is F0 52. Next F2 frequency of succeeding class of the model class, this is F2 38. And H size of the class 0 to 20, difference of lower limits are difference of higher limits 20. So using these values we can find the mode by substituting values in this formula. L is equal to 60 plus 61 minus 52 by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into H20. 60 plus 61 minus 52, 9 into 20 by 61, 2s are 2, 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 52 minus 38, 8 plus 2 minus will come, 8 plus 2, 10, 90. That is equal to 60 plus 9 2s are 18. After subtracting we have to cancel, that's why no need of multiplying this. Now 120 minus 90, 122, 120 minus 90, 2, 12 minus 9, 3, 32. So 4 5s are 4 8s are 4 5s are 20, 4 8s are 32. 60 plus 9 5s are 45 by 8. Here we can divide 45 by 8. 8 5s are 45. We have to keep the decimal point here. Then bring down this 0. 8 6 are 48. 2 8 2s are 16. 4 bring down 0. 8 5s are 40, 0. So 60 plus 45 by 8 is equal to how much here? 5.625. Therefore 65.625. So this is the mode. Therefore the model lifetimes of the components is 65.625 hours. So this is the answer. Question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Expenditure in rupees, number of families. Expenditure 1000 to 1500 rupees. Number of families 24. 24 families. Expenditure middle of this 1000 to 1000 to 1500. So like this 15 to 2000 40, 2000 to 2500 33, 2500 to 3000 28, 3000 to 3500 30, 3500 to 4000 22, 4000 to 4500 16, 4500 to 5000 7. Basing this data distribution table, we have to find model monthly expenditure and mean monthly expenditure. First, we have to find model monthly expenditure. Model monthly expenditure means mode of the data. We have to find mode of the data. To find a mode of the data, we have to arrange these rows as columns like this. Class intervals, frequency. To find a mode, first we have to know the model class. Model class. How to find a model class? The highest frequency class is the model class. This is the highest frequency, so that's why this is the model class. $1500 to 2000 is model class. Based on this, we can find mode of the data. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to find mode. In this, we have to know all the values of these terms. Here L and F1, F0, F2 and H. Based on this model class, we can find all these values. First, L, boundary of the model class. So 1500 is the L. F1, frequency of the model class 40. F0, frequency of the class preceding the model class. So this is F0, 24. Next, F2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So F2, this is F2, 33. Next, H, size of the class or height of the class, difference of lower limits or difference of the higher limits. So 500 is the size of the class. Basing this, we can find mode substituting in this formula. L is equal to 1500 plus F1 40, F0 24 by 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into 500. 1500, we have to simplify this. 40 minus 24, 16 by 40 to the 80 minus 24, 33, 57 into 500, that is equal to 1500 plus 16 into 500 by 80 minus 57, 323, 0 minus 10 minus 7, 3, 7 minus 5, 2, that is equal to 1500, 16 5 is 80, keep 2 zeros, by 23, 1500 plus, we have to divide 8000 by 23. Here we can solve 8000 with 23. First 23, 3 is 23, 3 is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 69. So 69, 1 1 110. Next 23, 4 is 4 3 is 12, 1 4 2 is 8, 9, 92. So 92, we have to subtract this 8, 10 minus 9, 18, we have to bring down 0. Next to 23, 7 is 7 3 is 21, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 2 is 14, 15, 16, 161, 9, 7 minus 6, 1, 0, 190, 23, here no values, that's why we have to keep point in this quotient and keep here 0. 23, 8 is 8 3 is 24, 8 2 is 16, 18, 184, 6, 0, 23 2 is 46, 4 1 0, 23 6 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12, 13, 6 2 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12, 13, so 138, 2 only balance. So 347 point, we can write approximately this 347.83, 83. 18, 1500, 347, 1800, 1000, here we can add 1500, 3 8 7 4 8 1, 1847.83. This is mode. And also we have to find mean. To find mean for this data, we have to draw this column wise like this: class intervals, frequencies already given, and also given 200 families. Sum of the frequencies 200 is also given. For this we have to use short deviation method, because here we have biggest numbers. That's why we have to use short deviation method for mean. Mean is equal to, in this method, mean is equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui by sigma fi. This is the formula to find mean for biggest numbers. Here we have to find a h sigma fi ui and sigma fi already given 200, and also we know height of the class 500. Now we have to find a assuming value and sigma fi ui. Here we have final. First, class marks means mid values. We know class marks means average of the class. X is equal to 1000 plus 1500 by 2, that is equal to 2500 by 2, 2 ones, 2 twos, 1 balance, 250, 2 ones. So x is equal to 1250. So this is the x value, 1250. Basing this 1250, we can write all these class marks, adding height of the class 500. 1250 plus 500, 1750 plus 500, 2250 plus 500, 2750 plus 500, 3250 plus 500, 3750 plus 500, 4250 plus 500, 4750. So these are class marks. Next, what we have to find, ui is equal to xi minus a by h. X, this is the x, these are x values. A, we have to take assuming number. Here I will take, generally assuming number, we can take the middle value. Middle value is not there, but that's why we have to take a, this 3250 is the middle value. Here we can keep 0. If we substitute these values, we can get this 0, x, this only, minus a also, this only, 0 will come, by h 500, so 0 will come. We know upper smaller numbers, there are upper smaller numbers, we can keep -1, -2, -3, -4. Down larger numbers, +1, +2, +3. Now we have to find fi ui. 24 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, minus 96. 4 3s are 2, 3 0s are 0, 3 4s are 12, 120, minus 120. Next, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, minus 66, minus 28, 0, 22, 16 to the 32, 7 3s are 21. Now we have to find these values, negative separately and positive separately. We have to add 6 plus 6 12 20 0 2 11 13 19 21 11 13 19 21 2 2 plus 1 3 3 10 minus 3 10 positive numbers 5 5 7 75. We have to subtract this. 10 minus 5 5. We have to keep first only minus. 10 minus 7 3. Here 2 only, minus 235. So we have all the values. A is equal to 3250. Now we got sigma FIUI minus 235. Now substituting these values in this formula, we can get the mean. So here A is equal to 3250 plus 500 into minus 235 by 200, that is equal to 20 gets cancelled. Here 3250 plus and minus minus 5 5 is 20. First we have to multiply. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 17, 5 2 is 10, 11 by 2. To divide exactly this, we have to keep 0, 0.10, 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 8s, 2 7s, 2 5s. Now we have to subtract this. 3250 minus 587.25. 3250 0 587.5. 10 minus 5 5. Here 9, 2 4 only, 14 minus 8 6, 11 minus 5 6. Here 2, 2662, 2662.5. This is mean. So we got two answers. First answer, model monthly expenditure is 1847.83 rupees we got. Next to second, this is the second one, mean monthly expenditure is 2662 rupees 50 paise. So these are two answers. Question number 4. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. Number of students number of states, number of students 50 to 20, number of states 3, 20 to 25 8, 25 to 39, 30 to 35 10, 35 to 43, 40 to 45 0, 45 to 50 0, 50 to 55 2. For this data we have to find mode and mean. To find mode, first we have to draw this row wise, we have to draw column wise like this. Class, interval and frequency. To find mode, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for finding mode. To find mode, first we have to know model class. How to find model class? The frequency which has highest, that is the model class. In this 10 is highest value of frequency, that's why this is the model class. This is the model class. 30 35 is the model class. Basing this model class, we can find all these values here: L, F1, F0, F2, H. First L. What is L? Lower boundary of the median class. Average of 30 30 is 30. And F1. What is F1? Frequency of model class. This is F1 10. Next F0. Frequency of the class preceding the model class. F0 9. Next to F2. Frequency of class succeeding the model class. So this is F2 3. And height of the class, difference of lower limits or upper limits, 20 minus 15 5. So these are values to substitute in this formula, then we can get a mode. Now we have to substitute the values. 30 plus 10 minus 9 by 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 into 5 is equal to 30 plus 10 minus 9, 1 by 2, 10, 20 minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 into 5, 30 plus 1 5 is 5, 20 minus 12 8, 1 5 is 5, 2 10 is 20 minus 12, okay, 8. So we have to divide 5, keeping 3 zeros. 8 zeros 0, keeping this point here. 8 6 48, 2 8 2s are 16, 4 8 5s are 40, 0. So 30 plus 0.625, 30.625. This is the mode. So one answer completed. Next we have to find mean of the data. To find mean of this data, we have to draw like this column wise, given number of students and number of states, class intervals, frequency. Mean we have to find for this short deviation method. We can find mean is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi h into. So here we have to find a h sigma fi ui and sigma fi. Basing this table, we can find these all terms. Here first we have to find class marks xi, that is mid value, average of the class 15 plus 20 by 2, 35 by 2, 2 ones, 2 sevens are 14.0, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 17.5, x is equal to 17.5. Here we have to write 17.5. Basing this mid value class mark, we can easily write adding class height. How much is the class height? Difference of lower limits 20 minus 15, 5. So class height is 5. Adding this class height to 5. Adding this, we can find the next two class marks. 17.5 plus 5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5, 52.5. So these are class marks. Next we have to find ui. How to find ui? Here first we have to identify assuming value. Middle value is take assuming value. We will take this middle one. We can take any value as assuming value, but generally we can take middle of the value, assuming value. So a is equal to 32.25. Here we can get 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, this is ui. Now we have to find fi and ui. Here f, here u. 3 3s are 9, minus 9, 8 2s are 16, minus 16, 9 1s are 9, minus 9, 10 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, 0, 0, 2 4s are 8. So here negative numbers 9 18 minus 34, these 11 positive numbers 11. So we can get fi ui, sigma fi ui is equal to 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, minus 23. fi ui sigma fi ui minus 23. And also we have to find fi. Here sigma fi is equal to This we have to count 11, 20, 30, 33, 35. So 35. We got all the values in this formula. Basing these values, we can find the mean substituting in this value in this formula. So now we can calculate A 32.5 plus H5 into minus 23 by 35, 32.5 plus 5 on the 5 7 the minus 23 by 7, that is equal to 32.5 minus 23 by 7. We have to divide 23 by 7. 7 3 is 21, 2, keeping decimal point in quotient, then bring down 0. 7 2 is 14, 10, 6, 0, 7 8 is 56, 7 8 is 56, 4, 7. Okay, this enough. Approximately 3.28. 32.5 minus 3.28. We have to subtract this from 32.25 minus 3.28. 10, 2, 2, 12 minus 3, 9, here 2 only, 2, 29.22. So mean is 29.22. We got two answers. Now we have to interpret basing these values. Mode states that most states have a student teacher ratio is we have got a 30.625, and mean are an average ratio is 29.22. This is the interpretation about this problem. Question number 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket match. Runs 3,000 to 4,000. Number of batsmen 4 members. 4,000 to 5,000 18, 5,000 to 6,000 9, 6,000 to 7,000 7, 7,000 to 8,000 6, 8,000 to 9,000 3, 9,000 to 1,000 10,000 1, 10,000 to 11,000 1. Find the mode of the data. For this finding mode of the data, we have to draw this column wise like this. Class intervals, frequency. To find mode, first we have to identify the model class. The maximum batsmen 18 in the class 4000 to 5000. That's why this is the model class. Model class. Model class 4000 to 5000. Basing this model class, we can find mode using the formula mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Here we have to know what is L, F1, F0, F2 and H. Basing this model class, we can find these values. So L, boundary of the model class, so 4000, average of this 4000, and F1, frequency of the model class 18, F0, frequency of the class preceding the model class, this is F0, 4. Next F2, frequency of class succeeding the model class, this F2, 9. And height of the class, difference of the lower limits, 4000 minus 3000, 1000. So now to find mode, we have to substitute these all values in this formula. Then we can get mode. L is equal to 4000 plus 18 minus 4 by 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 into 1000. 4000, 14 by 2, 18 to the 36 minus 13 into 1000. 4000 plus 14,000 of 14,000 by 3 to 23. To find this value, we have to divide 14,000 with 23. First 23 6 23 6 6 3 is 18 6 23 8 8 3 is 23 6 6 3 is 18 6 2 is 12 13 138 2 10 minus 8 2 0 0. So we have to bring down 0. 23 zeros are 0. 20, bring down 0. 200. 23 8s 8 3s 24. 8 2s 16 18. 6 10 minus 4 6 9 minus 8 1. So 16. Keep decimal point here, then bring down 0. So 23 6 how much here? 160. 23 6 138. 2 2 bring down 0. 23 9s 23 9s 9 3s 27. 9 2s 18. 20. So 3 1. So approximately value we got 608.69. 4608.69. More approximately 4608.7 runs. So this is the mode. Question number 6. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized this in the table given below. Number of cars 0 to 10, frequency 7, 10 to 20, 14, 20 to 30, 13, 30 to 40, 12, 40 to 50, 20, 50 to 60, 11, 60 to 70, 15, 7 to 80, 80. 8. Find the mode of the data. For finding mode for this data, first we have to make it like this column wise. To find mode, first we have to identify the model class, which is maximum in frequency. So in this maximum frequency is 20. So this is a model class. So basing this, we can find mode using this formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to find mode. In this, we have to find these letters L, F1, F0 and F2, H. So what is the L? Lower boundary of the model class. So 40. Here 40 is the lower boundary. F1 frequency of model class 20. F0 frequency of class preceding the model class. F0, this is F2, 12, 11, height of the class 10. So to solve this, we have to substitute these values in this formula. 40 plus 20 minus 12 by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. 48, 40 minus 12 minus 11 minus 23 into 10. So here 40 plus 8 tens are 80. 40 minus 23 17. we have to divide this 80 by 17. 80 with 17. 17 first 17 fours are 68. 10 minus 8 2 1 0, keeping this decimal point here. 17 sevens are 119. 1 bring down 0. 17 zeros are 0. 10. So approximately 4.707. So 44.7 approx. So this is mode. Friends, I think you understood each and every answer what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear you. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.